What is up, guys? Ace Motorsports bringing you guys another video. This is a Yamaha Banshee engine. I will be showing you guys how to do a leak down test. If you get a bike, a brand new bike, if you're doing any engine work, it is highly advised to do a leak down test. It composes of basically blocking off the exhaust ports, blocking off one of the carb boots, and then putting in air through here. Now I'm going to be putting about 6 pounds of pressure, and that should hold for about 5-6 minutes. If you see it going down drastically fast, you have a leak somewhere. A leak, in essence, when you're riding the bike, will either suck in more air, creating it leaner, and you guys know what happens when these bikes run lean. Your pistons will end up looking like that. So that's another engine that I have. They didn't do a leak down test. Took it to a mechanic. Mechanic didn't even know what that was. And they didn't do a leak down test, so we rode it for a couple hours and she blew. Now I went to Las Vegas and bought it for $800. That's right, guys, I bought this Banshee for $800. I'll put a picture up now how it looked before I start taking it apart. This Banshee is from the auction that I bought. I'll put the video up above now. You go ahead and see me actually bidding and winning this Banshee at auction for dirt cheap. Go ahead and watch that video, guys. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Did I get it for a good price, or did I pay a lot? Now, recently, since I bought that Banshee for 800 bucks, I paid a lot of money for this bike. But still, in regards to the prices right now, it is dirt cheap. So that's what we will be doing now, is a leak down test. So let's get to it. All right, guys. So a Yamaha Banshee leak down test. Let's go ahead and take these napkins off. Since I had it stored for about a month, I had those in there just to prevent anything going in. So let's go ahead and open up my man, the myth, the legend, Kevin Galindo's leak down test kit that he sells. You guys know who that is in the Banshee world. If you work on your own stuff, that man right there, my respects. Smart man. His YouTube is called South Texas Banshees. He is a genius when it comes to Banshees. Good man, family man. So watch his stuff. If you have any further questions, or hit me up on Instagram, guys. Ace Motorsports. Let's take a look. Nope, pretty good wrapping. High quality, like always with this man. I believe this bike has stock carbs, so everything should fit. I believe like 36 through 38, something like that. Okay. Look at that quality, guys. Wow. So I'll fuck with that. Okay, it comes with like a pump, like a bike pump. Let's put the air in through there. Seems heavy. So, you know it's quality. China. It's made from China, but I'm sure it's made from the best. Inspection. We got the exhaust boots. Okay. We got this that will go in through here. Okay. So let's get started. Okay, that's nice and tight. That's about as tight as I want to go. I don't want to, mess anything up. Okay, so from what I remember, he's only sent 3 clamps, because in the video he says you should be using the the carb clamps anyway. So this one is going to be going here. You could choose whichever side. That fits pretty damn good. Let's go ahead and tighten that up. Okay. Now this bike, it ran amazing. I'm doing this more of a peace of mind and to go ahead and teach you guys. A lot of people are starting to get into the Banshee world. I recently found out all about this. I myself am new. There's nothing wrong with that. We all start somewhere, but the fact is we are starting, and we all need help. So I have done a lot of hours of research when it comes to this, and I think you guys should too as well. But if I can help you with this, that's all I want to do, you know, just help people out. Let's all go riding. Glamis, Halloween, Wash 6, hit me up. We'll be there. See my toy hauler, my Duramax. We'll be there having a good time. We're getting all these bikes ready for Halloween. Well, even before that, I'll be there September 2nd. My boy's birthday. Okay, so that's nice and tight. Okay, so we have both of these nice and tight. And that's for the carbs. Flip the engine around. You could do this on the bike too. You don't have to have the engine out how I have it here. Okay, there's one. There's two. Sheesh, a little big, but does it go over? There's no way it goes over. No, we got some size 8 going on up in here. Should be a size 8. Yes, it is. Like I said in this video, do not over tighten these. It's just a nice snug fit. Okay. And that's about as tight as I want to go. Okay. Kevin Galindo, let's give it a try. Let's give your stuff a try. I know it's gonna work good. Put them away and use them over and over again. I know you don't easy your way out. That's pretty tight. I'm happy there. Okay, so I will be going inside, getting a spray bottle, filling it with soap, make it really soapy, and we'll be coming right back. Or you know what? I'm more than sure this engine will not have a leak. So let's just try it. Okay. So there's the gauge, and we're gonna put in a little bit of air. 2 pounds, 3, 4.5, about 5.5 pounds right there. Okay, there's 5.5 pounds. As you can see, 5.5 pounds. It's going down very, very slowly. Doesn't mean I have a leak. Okay, so it was actually because this wasn't tight enough. But I don't hear it anymore. So there's 5 pounds of pressure right there. We're gonna leave it there for a couple of minutes. And honestly, if there's a leak, you're gonna see it going straight down, nice and slow, right? But there's 5 pounds of 5 pounds of air, basically 5 pounds of pressure, PSI. As you can tell, it's right above 5 when I tightened it up just a little bit. It's not going down. I don't believe it's going down. If it is, it's probably just a little bit of air. Like I said, I don't want to over tighten these, but I don't see it going down. It's staying right there at 5. But I'm pretty happy as of now. Let's leave it like that for a couple of minutes. I'll be right back. Alright guys, so it's been, I don't know, 5 minutes. And some of that white stuff, so it holds the air better. But I you know, this engine's ready to go. So I'm about to drop it into the other bike, Before that, I will be trading all the electrical from one to the other. Shouldn't take me too long. I don't think there's that much electrical stuff, but you know, that's gonna be for another video. So I will be saving another video, but as of now, that is how you do a leak down test. So you guys could tell, Texas Banshees, your stuff, man, works great. If you ever seen this video, drop a comment down below, man. Yeah, I appreciate you, everything you've done. I wish the best for you and your family. Seem like a good people. Every time I message them on Facebook, YouTube, always responds, always quick. And you know, there's attention to detail for your customers, man. Like me, I'm gonna keep coming back to you. Filled with nothing but positivity, great energy. Go give him a follow, guys, on Facebook, on YouTube, anything social media. Great guy. But yeah, South Texas Banshees, thank you very much. Your leak down test, you know, your little kit worked amazing. I'm very happy with the quality, and thank you once again, man. Bottom of my heart, thank you for all your videos. Saved me a ton of money. Cannot thank you enough. But yeah, guys, Ace Motorsports brought you guys another video. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe if you guys enjoy this content. Lots of Banshee videos coming soon. I cannot emphasize, you know, how much content will be coming soon. So go ahead and subscribe if you guys do like Banshees. That's all I ask for. Just drop a like, subscribe. Lots of bikes coming to you guys real soon. Maybe a trip just to go ahead and test them all out. Once I get the fully bored out bike running good, maybe we'll head out to Cantamar, Los Arenales. Glamis is too hot. I am going to Pismo on August. So those who know. Take care, guys. Thank you, guys.